Thank you.
I like it. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Flex videos, I'll turn down a 26er.
Sure, let's do it. Sounds good.
My 26er says it projects far, but it rattles.
All right, sounds good. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Can you put the windows up real quick? As you know, I do videos.
Yeah, I watch you all the time.
Yes, sir. Oh, I like this. Oh, wow.
I did the box and all the audio.
Could you tell me your name and everything real quick?
I'm Trent. I have 08 Cadillac Escalade with 4 sundown X15s on 8,000 watts.
Okay.
And I'm running Scar Audio 8s from my mates, a DS18 tweeter 8-store, and 2 Timpano horns on 4,000 watts with a 310 alternator.
Is there a port?
I have the ports right there on the side.
There we go. On both sides or just?
Both sides.
Okay. Nice. I almost thought it was a clamshell fourth order, but then you can see through the back. This is different, unique.
I had plexiglass on the back when I was testing it out, and I took the plexiglass out. Actually, it's harder with that wall.
It's harder with it out. Okay. I think the only way that would be possible is if you sealed off around the edge and then blacked the back. You'd probably be louder. Otherwise, that makes sense. Sir, is the amps in the back behind it?
Yeah.
So I can see it?
Yeah, here. I'm just gonna open up one because I don't want to hit trash on it. I was working on it last night,
Uh-huh.
so my panels aren't up to the battery.
Don't worry about it. Okay. Awesome. Looks really good, man.
Thank you.
I like it. Thank you. Nice to meet you. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walkthrough. We just got a Trent system he was showcasing at the Made of Steel show in 2021, Tampa, Florida area for the location. If you haven't already, go ahead and give him a like as well as comment what you think about his system. Very unique, one-of-a-kind system. I've never seen or heard anything like this style of box. At first, I thought it was a fourth order, but it's actually just a ported box with 2 boxes on top of each other with an angled chamfer subwoofer mount point. So, really cool design. Nice job. I don't know exactly what the port was tuned to or the size of these ports, but I could definitely tell that the box was playing really low-end frequency. It gave us a 2-song demo we're going to be getting to. You're going to see how low it played down to. The subs actually seemed like they were almost touching in the corners when he played it at a certain frequency range, but they didn't touch. You'll see during that demo. If you notice the way he has his amplifier rack, he did have 4 red top batteries powered for the supply on that, but these are 4,000 watt Goliath amps. Don't see these very often, but pretty cool logo. I'm sure at nighttime it's a nice, clean installed system. Not the best looking system or loudest, but it got the job done for the show. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos coming your way every day on YouTube, JacobViral, and enjoy this pretty impressive demo. Awesome. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man. All right. Yes, sir. Are you louder with the windows down? Correct.
Alright, sounds good.